this science experiment, we're using the blueberry juice, which made my fingers blue, and some dishes each contain a different kind of liquid. There's vinegar, dish detergent dissolved in water, lemon, and baking soda dissolved in water. I am going to put a few drops of the blueberry juice into each of the dishes and mix them. What would you predict the colors in each dish going to be? Are they going to be the same color or different? As you can see, when the blueberry juice mixed with a different kind of liquid, it turns into different colors. That is because there is a very special pigment called anthocyanin inside the blueberry juice. When anthocyanin mixed with acid, it turns into red or reddish color. When anthocyanin mixed with base, it turns into blue or bluish color. Now we're going to use the blueberry juice to make some testing stripes, which you can use to test your liquid to see if they're acidic or basic. First, you need a coffee filter or a paper towel. Cut it into stripes. Now we're going to dip the stripes into the blueberry juice. Put them on the side to dry. Now we're going to use the dried up testing stripes to find out which cup contains vinegar and which cup contains baking soda solution. This stripe turns red, that means the liquid in the cup is vinegar. And this stripe turned blue, that means the liquid in it is baking soda solution. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun experimenting at home. See you next time.